In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft's Copilot to create stunning illustrations right from your web browser. This tool is a game changer for anyone in need of quick and creative visual content, whether you're a designer, a marketer, or someone passionate about digital art. First things first, let's open up your web browser. It could be Chrome, Edge, Firefox, whatever you prefer to use. Once you've done that, navigate over to copilot.microsoft.com. This is where all the magic is going to happen. Now, before diving into the creative process, you'll need to sign in with your Microsoft 365 account. This ensures you have access to all the features Copilot has to offer. If you don't have an account yet, you'll want to set one up ahead of time. Once signed in, you'll be on the main Copilot page where you'll notice a box at the center labeled Message Copilot. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you'll input your prompts and begin interacting with the AI. For this demonstration, let's use an example prompt to get started. Type in the following. Create an image of a modern office workspace with a laptop on a wooden desk, a coffee mug, and a plant by the window. Style it as a clean, minimal flat illustration. Once you've entered this prompt, go ahead and press enter. This sends your request to Copilot, and what happens next is truly remarkable. You'll need to wait just a few moments as Copilot processes your input and begins generating image options based on your description. You'll find it amazing how quickly it can turn written descriptions into visual content. Once the illustrations are ready, take some time to review the results. Check if these images fit the vision you had in mind. This AI is quite sophisticated, but sometimes you might want to tweak the outcome a bit. If the initial result isn't exactly what you were looking for, or if you have some specific changes in mind, simply refine your prompt with additional commands. For example, a simple instruction such as, make it more realistic can drastically change the image's style, bringing it from a flat illustration to something with more depth and texture. Just input what's on your mind and see how Copilot adapts. This tool is ideal for exploring creative concepts without the need for complex software. Experiment with different prompts, styles, and refinements to see the breadth of possibilities at your fingertips. And that's it. You now know how to use Microsoft's Copilot to generate engaging imagery in just a few easy steps. Feel free to play around and get creative with your next digital project. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips and tutorials.